Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about the stunning bridal look of the one and only Ayeza Khan. Get ready to be inspired by her timeless beauty and elegance. When it comes to bridal look, she never fails to impress. Her style is a perfect blend of traditional and modern element, making her a true fashion icon. Whether you are a bride-to-be or simply a fan of Ayeza Khan, this video is for you. Let's start with her makeup. Ayeza Khan bridal makeup is always flawless and natural. Her glowing skin, perfectly defined eyes, and soft lips create a look that is both glamorous and ethereal. You can easily recreate these looks by focusing on enhancing your natural features and using neutral shades. Now let's move on to her bridal attire. Ayeza Khan is known for her exquisite taste in clothing. Her bridal outfits are always a reflection of her personality and the latest fashion trend. From traditional lehengas to contemporary gowns, she knows how to make a statement on her special day. But it's not just about the makeup and the outfit. Ayeza Khan's bridal look is also about the accessories. She knows how to accessorize her outfit with the perfect jewelry pieces, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to her overall look. So don't forget to pay attention to the details. Lastly, Ayeza Khan's bridal look is incomplete without radiant smile and confident attitude. She carries herself with grace and poise, making her the epitome of a beautiful bride. Remember, confidence is the key of looking and feeling your best on your big day. I hope this video are helpful to create your own Ayeza Khan bridal look. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more update.